22-1-2002/2023-7-1 Ljubljana, July 18, 2023. The Embassy of the Republic of Slovenia presents its compliments to the Secretary-General Mr. Antonio Guterres and has the honor to communicate to Mr. Antonio Guterres, Secretary-General, United Nations Organization, New York, New York, 10017, United States of America, USA. With profound deference, I address you on behalf of the Association for Happy Living BELIS regarding the law UROZ on withdrawal from your esteemed organization, the United Nations. Recognizing the significance of the United Nations in the pursuit of international peace, security, and development, I seek to draw your attention to a matter of sovereign concern. Through this diplomatic communication, I hereby inform you that the Association for Happy Living BELIS Association, adopted, on an extraordinary General Assembly held on July 15, 2023, the law UROZ on withdrawal from the UN and the WHO Annex. This law also entails the exit from the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Act on Withdrawal from European Union (EU) regulations associated with your organization, the UN. As a legal entity in the Republic of Slovenia, the BELIS Association, through the aforementioned law on withdrawal from the UN and the WHO, regulates the legal status of official withdrawal from these international organizations and ceases to be their member as of July 15, 2023. This decision was reached during the 6th Extraordinary General Assembly of the BELIS Association held on July 15, 2023, in Ljubljana, Slovenia. With more than a two-thirds majority of votes, the members of the association resolved to exit and terminate the agreements that the BELIS Association, as an affiliate of the Republic of Slovenia, had with the United Nations and the World Health Organization. In accordance with international law, relevant legal considerations, and based on the sovereignty of the state and the indigenous rights enshrined in the Constitution of the Republic of Slovenia, which are also protected by the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, adopted on December 16, 1966, Resolution 2200, the BELIS Association, as a private legal entity, exercises its self-determination and right to withdraw from international organizations that no longer serve the needs and objectives outlined in its charter. The BELIS Association was indirectly affected by the acts of succession of the United Nations International Law Commission and international treaties related to the Republic of Slovenia. However, the association has chosen to reject the succession under these acts as they currently contradict its founding principles and objectives, placing it in a position diametrically opposed to its core values. It is of utmost importance to the BELIS Association that its decision to withdraw is respected, and all obligations stemming from its membership in the United Nations and the World Health Organization on behalf of the Republic of Slovenia and consequently, the Association for Happy Living BELIS are terminated. The withdrawal of the BELIS Association in no way encroaches upon the rights and obligations of the Republic of Slovenia as a member of the United Nations and the World Health Organization. In light of this fact, we express our active willingness to collaborate with other United Nations members in implementing the proposed withdrawal resolution. Mutual cooperation, information exchange, and alignment of efforts to achieve common goals are imperative for the establishment of peace and harmony. By enacting this withdrawal measure from your esteemed international organization, the BELIS Association shall be able to continue its mission with greater ease and conviction, striving to contribute to genuine world peace in accordance with its values, philosophy, and ethical standards and principles. Based on the aforementioned, we propose that as the Secretary General of the United Nations, you acknowledge this notification of the BELIS Association's withdrawal and cessation of its membership in writing, providing an official note of acknowledgement to the association. Furthermore, we kindly request that you inform all member states and subsidiary bodies of the UN about the adoption of the law on withdrawal from the UN and the WHO Annex, including those aspects relevant to national legislation within the Republic of Slovenia. We extend our gratitude for your attention to this matter and anticipate that you will duly consider our decision, thereby issuing an affirmative note confirming the exit of the Association for Happy Living Bellies from the United Nations, thus avoiding any potential future disputes or unnecessary conflicts. The Embassy of the Republic of Slovenia avails itself of this opportunity to renew to the Secretary-General Mr. Antonio Guterres the assurances of its highest consideration. Iviliana Bellis, President General Association for Happy Living Bellies.